Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna give you tips for making your Android device more accessible. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you are going to find an accessibility setting, and it's over here, so just tap on it. Then if you want to make your device more accessible, you can click on interaction and dexterity. Then you can turn on the assistant menu by clicking on this toggle button. Alright, and this is the assistant menu that will make your device more accessible. So right after you click on this assistant menu, you will get quick access to screenshot, volume, and home screen button and back button. And you can also activate the cursor of your Android. And actually there is another way to make your Android more accessible. Then we can go back to the previous menu. And we can click on display. So just scroll your screen until you find display setting, and then just tap on it. Then you can activate the edge panel. So this is the edge panel. So just turn on the edge panel by clicking on this toggle button. And how to use the edge panel, you can simply slide your screen like this, and you will get quick access to your application like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our Android device more accessible. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.